You weren't even car wash in the rain!
Oh, her
Come
truck is
get
so
your
dirty.
car wash in the rain!
Oh, her arm's dirty too. Oh. Look at.
That's Aaron. And it's raining. We're doing this for a club. Spray me! See, I'm in my truck. That's Hudson. Bye. Hey guys, so the car wash was not a success. I was standing out on the highway by myself for a really long time. He made me. And then now we're trying to fill up my truck to make a pool! Woo! Woo! It's filling up fast.
I can get it. I can't get it out. It's not coming out.
We've even got a fish. Good fishy. Good fishy.